Hello and welcome to Asif Umer Science channel, where science becomes super fun and learning at the same time.
My name is Asif Umer and our today's activity is Inno plus water. In this activity we are making carbon dioxide gas and we also going to learn about what is an endothermic reaction. For this required things are plastic glass, beaker with water, flashlight, Inno, sachet and latex gloves. First step is I am going to pour approximate 50 ml of water in the glass. Then few drops of food coloring. Going to add one sachet in the glove. I am going to stretch the neck of the glove over the glass and dumping all the Inno powder into the glass. Very fast reaction, chemical reaction and endothermic reaction. Carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas is also a fire extinguisher. When the Inno powder and water combine, they will fizz in the glass. After a few seconds, the glove will inflate.